Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the best cocktail in Mexico City for 2024. Introducing the Peanut Butter and Jelly Cocktail, now available at North America's and Mexico's top-rated bar, Handshake Speakeasy. This cocktail just hit the scene last week and has already been a massive hit with mixology enthusiasts. Inspired by the iconic peanut butter and jelly sandwich, this drink is crafted with Belvedere Vodka, red vermouth, peanut butter, and raspberry. It's absolutely heavenly. But what truly makes it stand out is its garnish, a perfectly recreated peanut butter and jelly sandwich made from peanut butter and white chocolate. It's simply wow. If you're a fan of creative cocktails, this is one you cannot miss. You'll find this masterpiece at their bar Compromiso, which is an extension of their original space at the same location. The cocktail is priced at 350 Mexican pesos, which is $18 approximately. Oh, and by the way, this bar is also part of my exclusive bar tour, which takes place every Friday and Saturday. For more details, just click in the link of my profile.